Good morning everyone, children and parents out there. We are now on day 5 of our online reading tutorials for children. This is Teacher Len and I hope kids you are learning a lot so far. So if you are new here and you want your children learn how to read fast and in easier way, then follow us and subscribe to this channel so you can watch our previous reading videos and you won't miss our daily lessons. Those who subscribe already, thank you so much. So let's begin now with our lessons for today. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. So we're going to say their letter names and their sounds. Okay, ready? Okay, just follow the beat. A, B, B, T, T, C, K, M, M. All right, once more. Ready? A, B, B, T, T, C, K, M, M. Now it's your turn. I know you can do it. Come on, ready? All right, good job. Okay, so this time we're going to say the sounds and the pictures. Ready? A, ant. B, bat. T, tag. Sk, cap. Man. Okay, now it's your turn. Just follow the beat. All right, good job. That was fun. Very good. Okay, so let's read the words. With the beginning letter A sound as A. Let's read ab, at, am, act. Now it's your turn. Read. Next, letter B sound as B. Let's read ba, bat, bam. It's your turn. Begin. Letter T, T. Let's read ta, tab, tam. It's your turn. Letter M, let's read ma, ma, mat, mam. It's your turn. Letter C, sound as K. Let's read ka, cab, cat. Read. Wow, good job. You are improving. Let's do this activity. Match the capital letter from each small letter. Use your pointing finger and match them. You can pause this video and be back if you're done. Start now. Okay, let's continue. Let's check. Number 1, big letter A to small letter A. big letter T to small letter T, big letter C, small letter C, big letter B to small letter B, and big letter M, small letter M. Are you all correct? Wow, good thinking. Okay, activity 10, write the missing letter. So I want you to complete these words by choosing your answers here and then fill in the blanks. Okay, start now. You can use your pad paper and you can write your answers there. Let's continue. Let's check. Number 1, it's letter A, cat. Number 2, letter B, bat. Next, letter B, bag. Next, letter T, tug. Letter C, cub. Letter M, mad. I want you to read. Begin. Next. Good job. Wow, you are number 1. Very good. Okay, last activity. Read the words below. Let's read first. Cat, mat, bat, cub, mum, tab. It's your turn. Begin. All right, good job. So because you're doing great today, this medal is for you. You're the best. You can write your name here or you can print this out. So that's it for today, kids. Our lessons tomorrow. So goodbye. Don't be late. See you tomorrow. God bless you.